What's up, YouTube? And today we are back with another video. We start off on the crib today. We got some goodies from you know who, American Muscle. So you know what's going on. Today we're gonna do a little unboxing. Since last time I cheated the system and unboxed. Gotta be it on camera. Right. What did they send us? What did I buy? Really? Maybe it's not a sponsor. It's not a sponsor video. Make sure I say what did I buy? Alright. Shit up in the bro, like look at our trees. Look at all. Hey. We start with the little box first. I'm actually gonna set the camera up so we can see what's in the little box. These hood pins actually, they may be somewhat functional other than just 3M. I thought about actually drilling into the hood. You got a hood pin, you got an alcohol prep wipes. They came with instructions. Get out of here. Okay. See what else we got. If I can't. By my messy household. Alright, cool. This is special. Here we have a tail light cover, smoked. You know, that way we complete the look. It's Velcro, so you can take it off and on, which is the best part about it. Got the whole set. Which I ain't gonna try to mix them up too bad. So I just leave those in there until we get to my boy house. Today we're gonna put all these good 3M stuff on everything back in the box. Everything back in the box. Something nice. And essentially I always lose it. So this is gonna be the end of this portion of the video. And I'll make sure to take my allergy pills today so I ain't nothing like this, this other shit. You know, good old allergy season. Plus some wind this morning, so I need to. So but then I'll catch you guys later.
So he said the master mechanic at my work said nothing moved. He had to get a pry bar back there to see what it was doing.
In the front, right?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? And we at this brilliant young man's house right here, and we got Bama in the building.
6P pat.
You know, 6P.
Hey, pull your car up.
Yeah, pull it up right here. I mean, you gon' or he could just pull out there and keep it flat even. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's flatter out there.
Which, is it the front left?
Yeah, the front right.
Bama out here smoked with the black thing. I'm gonna smoke them lights up there. Ooh, I'm too early. I ain't gonna shit out there. Damn, my guy, you gonna ride with the gas cap open?
Man, I do that all the time. I ain't put no gas in it today.
Tripping. Hey, when I see my shit pop, I think somebody fucking with me or something. I be mad. I be thinking somebody shit put sugar in my tank. Lord have mercy. But y'all see what's going on, man. We done already got a little too eager and opened the box already. And what you think? I think that bad boy gonna look good murdered out. We went ahead and got our side markers tinted as well, so we ain't gotta worry about that. So that joint full on black. About to add the hood pins in.
You get to pull the jack down there.
Ooh, the thing shining, boy.
It's not even heavy.
It's funny because the camera don't even pick up dust, fool.
Still look good.
Still look good and shiny.
Hey, before we jack it up.
You know, my boy gonna put his spoiler on, but I'm gonna let that content be for him. You know what I'm Also, put the can in, air filter in, so we got the drop in.
We don't want it for my birthday.
So this is a great part 2. We already out to a good start. We done spent some money, and we gonna see what that money gonna do. Also, rims coming soon. Rims or
The cool thing is, Braxton said she can edit all my videos.
not sure. I'm gonna do rims, but I wanna do Lambo door. I wanna do the Lambo doors. I ain't really sure. I feel like the rims on here is straight as is. And I have to see when I get my calibers painted. That's what I'm really trying to wait on. But I want to do it before Ford takeover. So I'm trying to. I don't want to tell my guy to order the rims and he's already paid for it and I don't do it, you know. Or the door kit take too long to get here. But it really all depends on what it looks like when I get those calibers painted. After we get it back from the wrap shop. We gonna see, man, decisions. But I'm definitely liking the way these lights turned out. They got it looking real good. Got it looking real good. They all should go do something. We gotta lower this hood down. And once we lower this hood down, we gon' gotta wipe it off. We dusty. You can't see it on camera. It's kind of hard to see on cam, but it's a little dusty. There you go, right there. You can see. Look shiny. That's that wax. It's the power of waxing, taking care of your car. Everybody shame me because are you always rubbing on your car? I rub on my car like I rub on my lady. I take care of that body, baby. Look, hey, you ain't gonna say too much. See my boy. See he tinted. Oh, he's tinted. Hold up, how he? Oh, my boy done got scammed out here, man. He only got one side tinted. Oh, no, he got both sides. He got both sides. I couldn't see the dust in the way. But see, me, I got this right here tinted. Real dark. Like, you can't even see that. That's black, actually black. And so you can see that pony. Can't see his pony in there. But it's cool, though. I'm not tinting my lights because I may go with Euros, and I don't want to have white Euros in the back. And then up front is tinted out like it defeats the purpose. So, like I said, man, we're going to go with the cheapest way to do it right now is to go ahead and tint the backlights. And once I got the backlights done, and I ride around with it, get my color on there, that's when we'll go into changing some things up. And then, you know, if anybody's interested, it's just Velcro. These are just strictly Velcro. So if I take these off like this, you see, it's 3M, then you got the Velcro on there. So just fit them back in there like that. Oh, don't be a butthole. Don't be a butthole. We might have to sit this car in the shade. This sun burning it up. Yep. My boy just became a delivery driver. That ain't even my boy. This somebody else. But you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my guy. We out here making moves, man. But yeah. They be dope to have all white Euros, though. Because all the rest of the lights are white, bro. The lenses are white. I'm going to leave my marks at the back because those are actually helpful. Just say if you get stuck on the side of the road so people can see you. I don't want to just be jet black. You can at least look up under the car and see the back. Yeah, so here these two come back on some hots.
Premium comfort, man.
Yeah, I like them seats.
Huh? I gotta get it auto.
Them seats busting, bro. I want the seat so bad. It's just like, look at them. Cool. I told you, bro. Those sticks only fun if you want to rev. They just have fun.
Man,
They're not
got
just
the active rev matching technology and shit on it, don't it?
I ain't even get that junk.
Yeah, I'm not even sure.
I mean, it's got line lock and everything, so it should.
Yeah, it should. Oh yeah, you right, it should. I don't know what. That's some shit I never use.
I've never even messed with it. The track app's nothing.
I messed with the track app just to see what the car was doing. Whenever I brake, to see if my brakes is off.
Now that second and 64 that we did, I did in track mode. I didn't like it.
I mean, we're gonna get these. I think I'm gonna do the lights first. I'm gonna get these lights done, and then I'll come back. Alright, guys, we got it. We got the lights on, covers on. They are a little hard to get on. I ain't gonna front. I do recommend if you do get speed form to take at least try to do the outside Velcro by itself and then fit the rest of the light on there. And you can kind of push it back, force it to go back. But yeah, it turned out real good. I hope they just don't fly off the Velcro. So, bam. Way better. A lot of people ask why you didn't do the two at the bottom, because I still, just in case of emergency happen, you never know. Still want to make sure that you can be seen on the road. I don't want to take that off and then the car black. Ain't nobody gonna be able to see you unless you got your lights on. So if you're wondering what they look like with the daylight running lights on, let me see. Yeah, your lights still light up, or you see that's the bright lights, and that's with it on. So yeah, you still can see those lights. And then if you turn the lights off, yeah, dark. So it's not that bad. At night, it's even better. You know, and like I said, as long as you can see when your lights on, like right there, people will know to stop. Plus, we got our brake light up top, so yeah, you should know to slow down when I'm slowing down. Yeah, hit me, no excuse. You're gonna be the one getting in trouble, guys. All right, so now we got that situated. We can move on to the hood pins. Got my boy over there putting on his spoiler. Doing hood pins. We trying to knock it out while we still got a little daylight. Sun went down. Hey, I didn't realize how much the sun went down until shit. I looked over there. It's over there in their yard now. The shadow. Cause we first pulled up. Shit, it was baking out this motherfucker. Did you get it off?
Yeah. Shit, I thought the whole boat came out. It's just a nut.
Nah, it's just a nut.
Well, that's weird. The other ones are something.
Let me see. Which one you at? This one? When you actually pull the spoiler out?
I'm saying the ones that come with the new ones.
Oh. I'm not sure.
Shit, honestly,
At least
I guess they just reverse thread in there. Shit.
I mean, you can at least, once you put the other spoiler out, if they was attached to that spoiler, then you can just take this shit out. With the twisted teeth. I actually got me some, bro. I meant to stop by the store.
Gas station right now?
Nah, my boy. Can't leave till everything done. You breaking the tradition, man. You can't break the tradition. What's wrong with that, man? Alright, so before I... Huh?
Nothing's being done on my car.
That's why you waiting on us, bro. Like, we all finished all our cars. We roll out at the same time. Like, this how it normally go. Hey, we got to catch roosters today, so hurry your ass up. Shit, I want the goddamn chicken sandwich. We got to catch them today. So, yeah, guys, we're going to start. And I'm thinking about latching the hood pins right here. Have them come out. Kind of be out here. But I'm going to drop the hood down so we can see. This is giving me need hood strut vibes. Wink, wink. Guys, so helping my boy out a little bit on there, but trying to figure out, do I want the hood pins mayo or do I want them out wide? I'm not really sure. Let me see. Oh, we already got the tail lights on there, so that. But right now, trying to see how we want these. I think it looks aggressive. I'm gonna stick it back out on the side, and then we'll see. It's really gonna depend on my bolting point or where I want to bolt the cables on, inside the hood. That's really what it comes down to. But we gonna see. I like this look right here. This look looks aggressive. But we'll be right back. Alright, what's up, guys? Man, we back at it. And I don't know if I like this video with the light on, but we got our hood pins put on. That thing looking good. Murdered out, boy. That thing look good. Murder gang. That thing look good. Then they want to smoke out my tail light cover. Yes, sirree. You can still see that one, but it's meant to shine. You know, but that's on camera. You don't even see it. Oh, that's dope, bro. The tint he used on camera, my markers lighting up red.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, but to me, they turn black. That's smooth. That is smooth. Turn that light off, man, for that light. Alright, bet I got you. Alright, we gonna bag this joint. I got my boy spoiler. Feel me? It's good. Hey, so this is part 2. Like I said, this is part 2. Probably gonna combine them, probably not. You know what I'm saying? If you got any questions on how I did, what to find the parts, I can link them in the description. I might, if I think to go back. Need to go back and look at it. This car's so fairly new. Yeah, I mean, hey, it's coming together, man. I told you I got a plan. When I get my plan right, bro, I gotta be back out here with them things, man. Look at me and aggressive, boy. What a difference. Just some hood pins, man. Boy, that thing look good. That turn murdered out. Stop playing. Oh my goodness, I love it. Murdered out, boy. Murder gang. Y'all, I'm in love, man. I'm in love. Let's see what these lights look like.
Going to Rooster?
Yeah, we finna go to Roosters, my guy. If anybody wondering just what the lights look like at night, running. So these are my running lights. Huh? Yeah, you need Cetric. So next time you get some Cetric. Yeah, you need Cetric. Fool, that shit hard, boy. God, look at that. I wish we had somebody out here who ain't had that lights in it. What? The light out? Yep. Go ahead, order them jumps for American Muscle. Hey, get the white junks. Get the Euro
I
junks.
wonder if it went out or if it's just.
It might be disconnected. You gotta go up under the bumper to see. Look at that. That shit hard. It's like it's 3D. Ooh, I like the way that look, man. Stop playing with me like I'm regular. But alright, man, it's gonna be the end of this video, man. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. The only way we going is up. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know how we coming, man. Hey, thank you to all my supporters I got so far. Those of you ask me why I ain't dropped no content, it is on the way right now.